Hey, Race, hold the camera for a second.
Here we are again at the vending machine. See, putting in their dollar. Takes his selection of candy / chips, / cookies, / crackers. Steve is wondering what he should get. Let's observe. He presses a button. And another. Make another selection, it says. Take some Skittles.
They're right there.
Take them. Get them. Dummy.
That's what I just put in. I just put it.
You sure? What the frickin'? I'm trying to eat one. What the
What?
Not working.
Sparta. Guess I'll go with M&M's.
There it goes.
Switch.
I'm just hungry. Take it. Okay, I got $1 in credit. What should I get? I forget. Huh? I'm gonna get Twix.
Hold up. Roll. Okay. D. A.
I got candy.
Whoa, look at that. Look at that.
What? Oh my God, Race.
Eat it.
That's right. I just slapped you all with my M&Ms. So, I was watching our video of one yesterday, and that was hilarious. At the breakdown, when you just like here, you like. What? Stop it. Okay, what?
When you're on the breakdown of one at the car show, and you're like, that was the greatest.
And if you haven't noticed yet, we're all broke and have no real camera. So, don't judge because A, we're broke, B, we're broke, C, we have no money, and D, we're broke.